Alright everybody, if you know anything about Fords and you know about 54s, then you know this was the first year for the Y-block V8. Every dealer got one of these hoods that had a transparent plexiglass piece installed in the middle so that customers could see this new Y-block engine without lifting the hood. This is a 54 Ford Sunliner and it has most options you could get. Now we'll go through them one by one. You'll see the hood, which we had just shown you. You see the Ford emblem in the front of the hood. It's got the extra wings on the side. It's got the accessory hood ornament. Up front, it's got a grill guard. It's got bumper guards. It's got driving lights. You'll notice it has Kelsey Hayes chrome spoked wire wheels. It has spotlight rear view mirrors. And it's got the antenna on the back. Got fender skirts. It's just a beautiful car. This one has the 3-speed manual. And I can't open it up to see, but I might believe that it would have overdrive. Yeah, it has the light up antenna. It has the taillight trim on the quarter panel. It does have reverse lamps, and obviously it's got the Continental spare tire kit. The rear bumper guard and wing. This car is just phenomenal with all of its options. It's really, really cool. Oh yeah, there's the emblem. It does have overdrive. I suspected, as loaded out as it was, it would have the overdrive on it.
And it's convertible.
Yep, it is a convertible. '54 Fords really don't get the love they deserve. This was the last year of this style. Styling cycle began in '52. So as was typical for Ford in the 50s and 60s, the style lasted about 3, maybe 4 years. '55 was a completely different car. This '54 is still going to have 6-volt electrics. It's going to have vacuum wipers. But what a beauty. Throw the top down on it and just cruise around.
Very low mileage.
Yeah, I'd sure hate to get the chrome bill on this restoration. It's a pretty incredible car.